The Razor Tip SK. Sleek. Oh, hold on a minute. Yeah, move that back. Okay. The Razor Tip SK. Sleek. Stylish. Son of a... Hold up. Move that. Oh, okay. All right. Razor Tip SK. Sleek. Stylish. Ready to... Wait. I can't see the numbers. I can't see the... We need to move this around, so no. Yeah, all right. Yeah, we need to move up. Yeah. Why don't we just fix this? I have a lot of burning machines on my shelf, and whenever I'm burning leather, I always grab my Razor Tip SK. The low-end range works well for soft materials. It allows me to get delicate shading and fine detail. But there are two things that drive me nuts about it. The first issue I have with the Razor Tip SK is sliding. The feet on the bottom are made of slick plastic. If your desktop is also smooth, the machine moves around easily. This can get aggravating after a while. To fix this, I purchased inexpensive rubber feet, backed with sticky stuff. I attached them to the bottom and no more sliding. First problem, done. The second issue I have with it is the dial. Razor Tip decided to put the numbers on the background, then use a pointer knob. This works if you set the machine right next to you, but I set my burner further back on the desktop. This makes it difficult to see settings between 4 and 6. To fix this, I took a silver Sharpie and continued the line on the knob. Now when you set it back, you can always see where it's set. The great thing is these two mods are inexpensive and reversible. I didn't check with Razor Tip to see if it would void the warranty for any reason, so you might want to check with them first before making any modifications. Mine's past the warranty period, so I'm going to do whatever I want with it. The Razor Tip SK is a great burner, and now it works a little bit better for me. Do you have a Razor Tip SK? Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy burning!